Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Scope of economics. The subject matter of economics is wealth, material welfare, and scarcity and choice. Economics deals with the collective actions of the society instead of individual. Economics is a positive science and normative science also. Economics is both a science and an art. It is a science in its theory and methodology and an art in its application. Economics is a social science according to Marshall and pure science according to Robbins. Economic rules and regulations which are adopted by people during economic activities are called by economic laws. Economic laws show the relationship between different causes and effects. Most of the economists say that the word of economics has been derived from the Greek word oikonomos, which means management and behavior of household. The branch of economics that studies individual units such as household, demand, supply, market, firms, and industries is called by microeconomics. It is the study of the components of a national economy. Macroeconomics is the aggregate study of the overall working of a national economy. It is the study of the national income, total consumption, investment, trade cycles, international trade, public finance, and money supply, etc. Deductive method for driving of economic law means reasoning from general to particular. We make certain observations and universal facts, formulate certain assumptions, and then apply to a particular situation in this case. Inductive method means reasoning from particular to general. We make certain observations of particular facts, formulate certain assumptions, and then apply to the universal situation in case of deductive method to derive economic laws. Study of economics is very important to increase information, sense of responsibility, savings and investments. It also helps to understand economic situations, economic policies, and economic systems. Practically, economics is important for businessmen, finance minister, consumers, citizens, and politicians. Economic wants are fulfilled by the consumption of wealth, and non economic wants have no price. Wants are divided into basic needs, comforts of life, and luxuries. Such goods which are directly used by the consumer to satisfy wants are called consumer goods. For example, food, medicine, and cloth, etc. On the other hand, such goods that are used by the producer for the production of other goods or for earning an income are called by capital goods. For example, plants, machinery, raw material, etc. Thank you.